Remember the early days of YouTube? A time when you could upload anything and maybe, just maybe, it would go viral. The platform was wild, no rules, no expectations, just passion. And the best part, with just views, you could start making money. And that was the dream, but that dream, it's evolved. Then YouTube said, hold my algorithm and introduced the 30,000 lifetime views requirement in 2017. We thought, okay, that's doable. But then came 2018 and bam, 1,000 subs and 4,000 watch hours. Like that's too much. That's wonderful. Ever since, getting monetized has been like trying to win a boxing match blindfolded. And fast forward to now, where creators are battling retention rates, CTR, short versus long form, and whatever new trick the algorithm wants. But that raises the big question: what's next? Now imagine this. Fast forward to 2030. What does YouTube look like? Holograms, AI generated creators, or let's be real, will monetization now require 1 million watch hours and a blood oath to the algorithm? Quick question. Is it possible to achieve a 1 million watch hours within a month? Well, that's possible for some, because nothing is impossible, right? Nothing is. But it's going to take some years actually. We are already seeing AI created content today. But what if by 2030, AI is running the show? Imagine an entire YouTube feed with hyper-realistic AI, influencers, perfect voices, perfect editing, no human effort. The algorithm knows exactly what you want before you do. But where does that leave real creators? And what if watching videos wasn't even a thing anymore? Imagine entering a video, instead of watching it, experiencing a travel vlog as if you are actually there. Interacting inside a gaming video, or even feeling the heat of a cooking tutorial. That's massive. You ever seen Ready Player One? That sci-fi movie where people escape into a fully immersive digital universe. Yeah, it might have just been fiction, but what if I told you YouTube could actually be heading in that direction? Think about it. By 2030, content creators might not just be filming videos. They could be building entire virtual worlds where you don't just watch, you step inside. Imagine entering a Mr. Beast challenge for real. Actually, real. Competing in a PewDiePie meme review inside the meme, or even, brace yourself, experiencing a Gordon Ramsay cooking tutorial where you can actually smell the food. Yep, smell-ovation might just be a thing. And if VR platforms keep evolving, YouTube could be less about clicking play and more about diving into content. A world where subscribing means getting a front row seat in a fully interactive experience, where watching videos is just the beginning. Maybe YouTube won't even be a video platform anymore. It could be a full-blown digital world, creators owning virtual spaces, hosting interactive live shows, and fans literally stepping into their content. Will YouTube become the next metaverse? One thing is for sure, YouTube will change just like it always has. The real question is, will it be easier to grow or even harder? Will small creators still have a shot, or will AI-generated channels dominate? We don't know what the next 5, 10 or 20 years hold. But one thing is clear, if you are here now, you are already ahead of the game. The grind never stops. So, do we adapt or do we get left behind? What do you think YouTube will look like in 2030? Will it be a creator's dream or a digital survival game? Let's talk in the comments.